daily practice for English.
I am going to take a shower.
Wash your hair today.
Do I have to?
Yes, it looks messy.
Ugh, fine. I will.
Use the new shampoo.
The green bottle?
Yes, it smells like apples.
Do we have conditioner?
It is the white bottle.
How much should I use?
Just a small coin size.
It smells very nice.
Do not use too much.
Okay, I am going in.
Leave the towel on the rack.
Lisa,
What is wrong?
the water is cold.
Let it run for a minute.
Ah, it is warm now.
Good. Enjoy your shower.
I am done.
Dry your hair well.
Where is the hairdryer?
In the top drawer.
Bum, 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 bum. My hair is dry.
It looks much better.
It feels very soft.
See? The conditioner works.
Thank you for the tip.
You are welcome.
I feel like a new man.
You look like one too.
Oh no, look at my shirt.
Did you tear it?
Yes, there is a hole.
Let me see it.
It is my favorite shirt.
I can fix it.
Do you know how to sew?
Yes, my mother taught me.
Where is the sewing kit?
It is in the living room.
I will get it for you.
Find the blue thread.
Here is the blue thread.
And I need a needle.
Please be careful.
I am always careful.
Dum, dum, dum. You are very fast.
It is an easy fix.
Can you fix my socks too?
No, throw the socks away.
But I like those socks.
They have too many holes.
You are right.
Okay, the shirt is done.
Let me try it on.
Tell me if it fits well.
It is perfect.
The hole is gone.
You are magic, Lisa.
It is just basic sewing.
Thank you so much.
Hang it in the closet.
I will wear it tomorrow.
Good idea.
We need food for the week.
Let us make a meal plan.
What do you want on Monday?
Chicken and vegetables.
Sounds healthy.
Tuesday can be pasta night.
I love pasta.
Wednesday is fish and rice.
Can we have pizza on Thursday?
Yes, homemade pizza.
I will make the dough.
I will buy the cheese.
What about Friday?
Let us have tacos.
Taco Friday is the best.
Saturday, we can eat out.
Good. A break from cooking.
Sunday will be soup.
Tomato soup?
Yes, with grilled cheese.
I will write the shopping list.
We need tomatoes and bread.
Got it. What else?
Chicken, fish, and pasta.
Do we need milk?
Yes, 2 bottles of milk.
I smell coffee.
I just made a cup.
Can I have some?
Yes, pour it yourself.
Our meal plan is ready.
Shopping will be easy now.
Yes, we are very organized.
Let us look at apartments next.
Our lease ends soon.
We need a new apartment.
I will look on the computer.
Find something near the park.
Here is a nice one.
How many bedrooms?
It has 2 bedrooms.
Is there a balcony?
Yes, a small balcony.
How much is the rent?
It is $1,200.
That is over our budget.
You are right.
Look for a cheaper one.
Here is one for 1,000.
Where is it located?
It is on Main Street.
Main Street is very noisy.
Finding a place is hard.
Keep looking, Mark.
Wait, look at this one.
Oh, that looks very sunny.
It is near the school too.
How much is it?
$950.
That is perfect.
Should I call them?
Yes, call them right now.
I will ask for a tour.
Ask if they allow pets.
Good point. We have a dog.
I hope we get it.
Me too, Lisa.
We will see tomorrow.
I have a big meeting tomorrow.
Are you ready for it?
I need to practice my speech.
I will listen to you.
Okay, here I go.
Stand up straight.
Good morning, everyone.
Speak a little louder.
Today we will talk about sales.
That is much better.
Sales are up this year.
Smile when you say that.
Sales are up this year.
Perfect. Very friendly.
I have these papers to show.
Are they printed well?
Yes, I checked them twice.
Do you have your laptop?
Yes, it is fully charged.
What will you wear?
My gray suit and a tie.
Did you iron the shirt?
Not yet.
I will iron it for you.
You are the best, Lisa.
You will do great tomorrow.
I am a little nervous.
Just breathe and speak slowly.
I will remember that.
Do you need more practice?
No, I think I'm good.
Get some sleep tonight.
I will try to rest.
You will be fantastic.
Work was hard today.
What happened, Mark?
I had a fight with John.
A fight? Oh no.
Just a verbal argument.
What was it about?
He took my project files.
Did he ask you first?
No, he just took them.
That is not polite.
I was very angry.
Did you yell at him?
Yes, a little bit.
You should talk to him calmly.
I know. I lost my temper.
Tomorrow, say sorry for yelling.
And what about my files?
Tell him you need them back.
He says he needs them too.
Maybe you can share them.
Make a copy for him?
Yes, that is a good compromise.
You are very smart.
It is better to work together.
I will talk to him tomorrow.
Shake his hand too.
Okay, I will fix it.
I am proud of you.
Thanks for the advice.
Anytime, Mark.
Work is stressful sometimes.
Yes, but you can handle it.
I feel much better now.
Good. Let us relax.
Tomorrow is Buster's birthday.
Our dog is turning 3.
We should have a party.
Yes, a small dog party.
I bought him a new toy.
The squeaky bone?
Yes, he will love it.
We should make a cake.
Can dogs eat cake?
I found a dog cake recipe.
What is in it?
Peanut butter and carrots.
Sounds tasty for a dog.
I will bake it tonight.
Should we invite Max?
Yes, Buster's best dog friend.
Max lives next door.
I will tell his owner.
Let us get some party hats.
Buster will hate the hat.
He will shake it off.
It will be funny for a photo.
I will take many photos.
We can go to the park too.
Yes, a long walk for him.
He is a very good boy.
The best dog in the world.
Do we have dog treats?
Yes, a big box of them.
Tomorrow will be fun.
Buster will be so happy.
Ugh, he is wagging his tail now.
He knows we are talking about him.
Happy birthday, Buster.
It is getting late.
Time to wash our faces.
I just use water.
No, Mark, use this cleanser.
Why do I need it?
It removes dirt and oil.
Okay, give it to me.
Just a little bit.
I am rubbing it in.
Wash it off with warm water.
My face feels tight.
That means you need moisturizer.
What is a moisturizer?
It is a cream for your face.
Will it make me sticky?
No, it makes your skin soft.
It smells like flowers.
It is lavender.
I look very shiny now.
It will dry in a minute.
Do you do this every night?
Yes, every single night.
Women have so many steps.
Men should do it too.
I guess it feels nice.
Your skin looks much better.
Thank you for sharing.
You can use it tomorrow too.
Maybe I will.
Now brush your teeth again.
I did that this morning.
You must do it at night too.
Okay, I will brush them.
Good boy.